Got me feeling one with the madness. Got me feeling one with that truth. These days they've been calling me the baddest. These days I've been coming for that loot. Ay, yo, for that loot, for that loot. Ay, kill around that loose. Okay, okay. I've been coming for that truth. Okay, you're prey, but you ain't got a clue. Ay, gets bloody when I'm going for that coup. Now that's how the cycle of life goes. I feel like a psycho who came with his rifle. I feel like a cycle. I follow for eulogies. I'm bringing the fight, bro. You ain't nothing new to me. You ain't never seen nobody like me. Bringing on my guns to your hot teeth. Willing in this game that I might be sending you 6 feet deep on the map. I'm a beast, I've been classy like heat. I've been packing receipts, I've been stacking receipts. I've been passing off easy, they calling me breezy. This KO, it needs me like he on his knees for reason.
They'll be introducing to you the entire LMS, proper walkthrough of the entire website and everything.
So you should be connecting with key people. Right now you are like 40-50 people here. You already have 50 connections within the room. You are connected with each other, right? So please start working on your LinkedIn account, have fun in your Instagram, and maximize your time in HOCK LMS.
Xylem delivers what they promise. That is why you have that in the market, and very good decision that you have taken here. Bipin sir is one of the best CMA faculty teachers that is there in the country. You are very blessed that he's there to support you with your journey.